The name of the church, guys, Biserica is a church. Nizelor Candia. I'm not sure if I pronounce correctly. Let's go to the entrance. It says here it's a Reformed Church of Santa Maria Earlia. It's a monument in the 1913. Wow. That is the old church. But it's closed. We cannot go inside. This is the looks inside. But we cannot go upstairs. You can see that it's very old church. Look. Historic church here. St. George. I don't know where they got there. And here you can see the grave of the people. Look. This is also a medieval, yeah, you see? Medieval church. Look. The grave. Until there. And here. In 1933. From 1933. Open the door. There is some writings there. What is that? What does it mean?
I don't know.
Cannot understand that.
It's not a Romanian language.
I think it's Hungarian.
Oh no.
Can you go in?
Come in.
Allah, why it's like that? Look at the medieval church. Ah! There's an echo. Look like this. Why is like that?
You can have courage to go or no.
What to do that?
Yeah, very easy. But it's not
But they
pain.
preserve, huh? This is 19 something church.
I don't know.
This grave, I cannot go near this part. It's 1945. And the other one is 1976. So there's a lot of dead people here because different sign. And the other one 1890 to 1967, 1920. Wow, this is very long, guys. And there's a lot of deads here. Like that one, 1906. Wow. 33.
He was born.
Yeah, and then he died in
He died in
1920.
And this there too.
Yeah, too.
The wife and the wife is 32 and the same year died. Maybe accident.
Oh, the same,
the last year, maybe COVID. This year.
Ah. It's very beautiful, huh? But it's not open for public yet.
No, but you can go.
Look at the man there. He took a water for drink, I think. So this is a huge park. Ongoing construction, guys. And the men who are working there said the owner of this is Romanian, but living in a big park here. Yeah. Very refreshing, huh? Look. This is a touristic area. It's new. It's a huge park. And the workers there said that the man who owned this ongoing construction part bought this area, 100 hectares, just to make it a touristic Look area. At the sheep. They are very naturally fat because look, they have a lot of food. They love grass. You see, the owner put them. Look at the sheep, guys. They are very nice. And they don't put a chain, huh? As usual. Here, they don't really put a chain. And then they just put a bell so that when they are lost, you can hear where they are because of the bell ringing. Look, they are a lot, guys. Look. And they understand, huh? It's time for them to go to their home. Look. Wow. Very fat. And this is a donkey. He has a bell. Ay, biga mo. You see? There's a bell there near to his neck. And from afar, you can see a bison. It's the family of cow, guys, as I read online. And Florence said they don't have like this in Romania. It comes from the US. So this is a bison, and there is the donkey. That's why the owner asked them to gather, because they give water to them. Ah, I see. Look at them. They finished drinking water already. Look. They look like a goat. Look, they're together. Look at them. Like someone asked them to queue up. Look. Whoa. Look, look. Like human. You see? After they feed them. Ah, they don't feed. They take the milk. They are feeding them. But they take milk. One by one, the boy there opened the gate, and one by one, the grandmother and sister is inside that small house. They take the milk, and after that, they go there. Uy, so cute. So clear. Going down there. Very nice. Hubby is over there under the shade of the sun. But it's not so cold. It's not so warm. Just fine. Let's go. So guys, we are on our way to visit our next destination. It's the amphitheater of Sarmijetusa. At the entrance of Sarmijetusa, guys, before you enter outside, you can have a chorba or soup, or a stomach soup, very well known in Romania.